Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download music from YouTube to MP3. So first of all, open any browser in your system and search youtube.com. Then click on profile icon on the top right hand side. A drop down menu will appear. Here select the YouTube Studio option. Then YouTube Studio will open. Here you can see different options on the left side. So scroll down and select audio library. Then this audio library page will open. Here you will see different music tracks. You can play this music from here, and to check license type, drag mouse here and you will see the license type. You can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. You can use this music in your YouTube videos as this is copyright free. And now let's download this. To download, simply click on this button download and it will start downloading in your device in MP3 file format. This is how you can download music from YouTube to MP3.